Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here let's start with tapping on About Phone. Now let's tap on this Xiaomi HyperOS and wait until you'll see this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we can tap on them and go to settings. So here we've got different options which are connected with the automatic download and the automatic update. So first of all, make sure that this option is turned on. I do not recommend activating this option because thanks to it you can avoid some charges, so don't do that. And right here we've got the updates. Simply make sure that this option is turned on, like here. Thanks to it, your device will not only download the updates, but it will also automatically apply them at night when you're not using the device. So thanks to it, you won't have to, I don't know, stop the usage, stop working of your, stop using of your device. It will happen at night. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.